Good morning. We don't even know what we are, who we're doing. None of that made sense. I literally don't know. I don't know today. Because I'm supposed to be off tomorrow. We're supposed to be going to Birmingham. We're supposed to be going up there to film some stuff for TV, and that's now cancelled. It's cancelled. Didn't make casting. I don't know what that means. I've got no idea. I don't do telly. I do fucking social media stuff. So, because we had a spare day, and I found this out yesterday morning, I'll be spreading out the work to fill out that day as well, which was booked off. So, I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I don't. Other than a couple of little odd bits and bobs. Now, because I was driving all day yesterday, I had so many missed calls and text messages and WhatsApps that I had to sit there, go through it all, and try and work out what I'm doing today, basically. So I don't know. I don't think we got much in for today. But we're going over to the first job that I've put in for today, and me being me, I have not even wrote down much information about what I'm doing at each job, to be honest with you. I just put one or two words. Anyway, you ready? Let's get straight into the video. Right, now, because we went on a little jolly yesterday, I didn't finish up there till about 10:30. And it's a 3-hour drive back, so 1:30, I got back home. Now, all the lads were like, oh, let's go get Burger King. And I was like, yeah, I'm not going to go against what everyone else is having. Now, I'm a celiac, so I just, threw away the bun. Not a problem. But I've had heartburn all night, and I have not got any heartburn pills. Luckily, I had some Rennies, so I did manage to get some sleep last night. But we need to get some heartburn pills before we even start, because I'm an old man. So let me do that first, and then we can... I'm in agony. Come on, really? Don't do this to me. Remember I said my car hates me? Yep, you're not wrong there, fucking silly boy. We're not that far away from this job, so I'm going to just... Fuck off, car. We're going to just go get this little job done. I think it's just a dripping tap. I hope, I pray, please be just a dripping tap. Get that done, and then this video might be ruined. I think I might just be getting my tyres sorted out. Shit. Right, we're here. It's one of my American customers. Oh, I don't know why I've got loads of American customers. So we'll see if we can get him set. I got a dripping faucet. It always sounds weird in Britain. Someone calling a tap a faucet, but you never know, I might say it on camera. Hey, let's go in. Slow down. Morning. How are we? Very good.
Now look, you guys.
Come on, Dick Dog. Quiet. Ding dogs, ding dogs.
We gotta cut that one off. Oh, I know how to do it better myself.
Okay. Oh, alright, you can watch me. You gotta tell me what it is.
Pardon?
Is it a tap or a faucet?
I have no idea.
Some months. And then it comes off.
Jeez. Yeah, okay. Well, I didn't do anything wrong. It just wasn't strong enough.
There he is.
Mm-hmm.
Washer's just completely come off, right? Let me see. Yeah.
That is a gone washer, that's for sure.
Yeah, much left of him. Right. I'll clean him out. So a little, I think that wants reseating. Yeah. Right, okay, let me see if I've got the right one. Yeah. Yeah. doggy dog. Hello, you're so sweet. Oh, look at your little ears. You're so old. Look like Yoda. Oh. There we go. Popped it, right. Ooh. I cover each and every highway and all of this. Okay, that's all. First one. You'd be surprised how much rubbish has come off of that. Mm-hmm. Alright, let's try it again then. Right, we are. Right, that one on. Ooh. There we go. Right, so that was jobbed. I love a customer stood over me, just breathing down my neck. To be honest with you, I don't actually mind too much customers watching if they're that interested. I mean, you guys are watching. You're watching me work. Thousands of people watch me work on TikTok, so it's not too much of an issue. It's just, you know, if something's going to go wrong, it's going to be when the customer stood there, isn't it? So luckily that one was all jobbed. Did I get the final shot of that done? I don't know. I reseated it twice basically, and then it worked. Very old taps, could have done with replacing, but I like to try and fix and repair things because I get more job satisfaction out of taking something that's broken and then mending it. I just wish someone could mend my broken heart. Right, I need a poo. Luckily the tyre place is next to the plumbing merchant, so I'm going to take the car straight to there, pray that they've got tyres in my size, which they won't because it's a 4x4 place, so I'll end up with some big off-roading fucking tyres on this thing, and I can go and have a poo in my merchant. Right, if there's any more of this video, it'll be on screen, but if I manage to get to any other jobs today, if not, I've got to then rearrange them, and then I've already got too much stuff booked in now. I'm looking at the diary going, no, I've really messed up. I've overbooked, but it's part of being self-employed, you know what I mean? It's not like I can just go, oh, the tyres popped, brilliant, I'm employed, I can just hang about a tyre place for the rest of the day and get paid. No, unfortunately, I got 65 quid for a bloody drippy tap repair, and that might be all that I earn today. So, and a loss of a new set of tyres. So, self-employed life, baby. Well, mind you, that's where yesterday's video comes into play. It accounts for stuff like this. Like, it gives me that little bit of buffer room as someone who's self-employed. I know not everyone can say, oh yeah, I'll just do a fucking advert and then I've got a bit of breathing room. But no, you need to have a bit of a rainy day fund. That's why you've got to be so careful with your money when you're self-employed, because anything can happen. It's like when the van shit itself, You know what I mean? I brought this for 300 quid, and it was just pure luck and chance that my mate said, oh, my dad's give up his driving licence, do you know anyone that wants a car? And I was like, yes. But yeah, it's just annoying because I'm trying to save up a bit of dollar, ready to get the new van in the new year. So we shall see. Oh, Ford or Volkswagen, if you're watching this, give me a van. I know no one will. No one's gonna give me a van. Fuck me. Well, I am the king at securing a free coffee. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, I'll tell you what it tastes like. It tastes like I've just spent more money on tyres than I paid for this fucking car. It's actually not a bad coffee from a little coffee machine, to be fair. I'm surprised. It's quite a nice coffee. That's a 6. That's there with the Arabica coffee from McDonald's. Let's go have a look at a first fix. It's only in the next village, so I will limp my shitty fucking tyre across it. To be fair, it stayed up. I don't know why, but obviously they need doing, so 4 new tyres booked in. You know, only the best budget tyres for me. It's a shame I can't get no part ones illegally. That would have been so much better, but there we go. We got some budgets. Right, let's go do this first fix, or at least just have a look at it. Right. Okay, put an elbow up there. That they need to go further back. Okay. Look at that. That cup of tea got yeeted out the fucking side door because Jesus, that's the worst cup of tea I've ever had. What was it? Almond milk? I think it could be fucking breast milk for all I know. It was rancid. Anyway, I've got to go off, get a mechanical elbow because it's only bloody push fit, and I don't install push fit. I only install solvent weld. Why? Just because I'm miserable fucker that will only do certain things a certain way. Luckily, they got an filler panel go in there, so the pipework can go in there without a fucking issue. Silicone waste fitting on. That's the way to do it. Okay, so it's under 80 mil. Cold. Hot. Right, that's where it needs to be. Right, so with this little first fix that I'm doing, I did have to call up a friend. I called up a couple of people, and then eventually one of them answered. He's a top bloke. He's on he's on YouTube, SRV. So I'll try and tag him below. I don't know how you do that, but I'll tag him. I'll put him in the comments or something. I'll get him to comment. I don't know. Basically, I said, look, have you ever dealt with IKEA kitchens? Because IKEA have sent an email. They've said that the pipework all has to be along the floor, not on the walls. Obviously, there's that filler panel, so, you know, don't really matter. We can put it on the walls going down. But the pipes need to be going along the floor and then up, because basically there's no void at the back. It's not like a normal Howden's kitchen unit or typical kitchen unit. And there's a butler sink going in, so all I'm going to do is just leave 2 tails popping up with some ball fix on them, so that it can easily be dismantled, and they can obviously cut the holes and then drop it over the pipework vertically. So yeah, there we go. I mean, it is what it is. It was a bit of a strange one. I'm not used to doing a first fix in this way, but you just have to do it to how they want to do it. So there we go. Runs along the floor and then comes up. And support the worktop with a bit of 22. Look at that, beautiful. I know it's only 1:30. But I'm tired. I have a headache so bad that I don't even think I can look at the camera screen right. Oh, I don't want to look at the camera screen. Right. End of the videos. Outro. End of the videos. What am I going on about? It's the end of the video, and I know we want to see more plumbing. Don't worry. Tune in. Possibly tomorrow. The only problem is with tomorrow is, obviously I don't know what's going on with the tyres. I don't know how long that's going to take. Is there going to be enough to make a video? I don't know. But just check at 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock, that's when you need to be looking. So I'm going to be setting the premiere for the video. It's going to be scheduled for 6 o'clock. As many days of the week as we can do it. So always just check at 6 o'clock to see whether there's a new video out. If you've made it to the very end of the video, then you've got to say Hulk's. I don't know what I was going to say. Hulk's main muscle is purple. That's such a weird code. But that's what you got to put. That's what you got to put in the comments if you've made it all the way to the end. Just include Hulk just somewhere in your comment, and I will know that you've made it to the end. So I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to, or you can just keep coming back every day because you think, oh, I don't want to subscribe, but what is he doing today? What is he doing today? Just hit that button. Just hit the button. Just subscribe. It's weird, mate. It's really weird. Keep coming back to watch and not being subscribed. So just hit the button. You might as well just do it. Do it. Unless you're stalking me. Unless you're one of them people that don't be weird, okay? Just hit the subscribe button. Right. See ya next time.